Well, I've been very strange all day. You know, it's kind of the realization's really kicking in that this is the last one, and there is emotion because like I've been doing this for such a long time. But I'm happy. I'm happy with my decision. I feel that I'm ready to kind of hang up the boots, if you like, and I just feel that I have a lot to look forward to, and I want to enjoy it while I'm young.
You keep adding on gigs. People didn't want to let you go,
No.
right? The Slán tour that, keeps going, which is
Yeah.
great. What was that like for you to get that sense of affection from your fans, the loyalty?
It's incredible, and you forget, like there's people travelling from Japan today and Australia, all over the world to see some of these gigs in the last couple of months, and it's actually amazing to kind of realise that that's what you mean to someone. It's great the local people coming out to see, of course, but people travelling from all over, and that's been special. But being with my band, I have a great band. You see, I'm getting a little emotional even talking about it because they're my other family, and we've been together such a long time. I mean, Pat, my piano player, has been with me for over 40 years. Bill has been with me for over 30, and the rest of the band have been there a long time too. So it's just, it's that goodbye is probably the toughest. And here tonight as well, of course, in Vicar Street.
Finally then, I mean, the career has been extraordinary. The amount of albums you've sold, that connection with your audience, the
Yeah.
beautiful music you've brought to life. That must be something that's just an extraordinary kind of, I don't know, moment, a lovely thing to think about.
Yeah, well, you see, when you're in the midst of it, you don't really think like that. And the music comes and the albums get made and you're on a roll and you're going through it. And I suppose it's only when you step back and think about, the amount of songs I've recorded, the great songwriters that gave me songs. I had Jimmy McCarthy up on stage singing one of his songs with me on one of the nights. And I got a lot of my ex-band members. Declan was with me in Cork, Declan Sinnott, and Steve Cooney, and, Frank Gallagher was up in Derry. There was lots, all players who played with me. Of course, Eleanor McAvoy was in the Olympia recently with me as well.
Just the music. What has the music meant to you, to your heart, to your soul, you as an artist, all these beautiful songs?
Mm-hmm. Well, I always thank the songwriters because I was very blessed. I was at a time when songwriters wanted you to sing their songs, and I don't know if it's as prevalent now, but I got beautiful songs, and that really was a big part of my success. But also, music's always been part of our house, so I grew up with music, and I'll die with music because there'll be sessions in our house probably until I'm well in my 80s and 90s, if I get that far. But that's the way we are, so music will always be there.
Just to have a wonderful evening. And
Yeah.
thank you for all your music.
Yeah, I'm excited and a little emotional, I have to say.